Welcome guys, this is going to be a quick one, so I will just run you through this amazing AI generator. It's a free AI image generator, so please just stick around. It's a powerful tool that you can use to generate a dripping images for your YouTube, blogs, thumbnails, even for commercial use. You might be seeing these very beautiful cards, different images being generated all around. But now, this particular one I'm going to show you now is a very powerful tool. And for your tip, you will also have a bonus at the end of this video where I will show you a video generator. Well, this particular one is an image generator, just as I stated it earlier. It's a no subscription, no watermark, no login, no hidden fees, just you and AI. Sound too good to be true, right? Alright, stick around guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, head over to this site called, there's an AI for that, so don't worry, I will leave the link in the comments. So once you are there, click on image generator, choose your aspect ratio. For YouTube, normally YouTube is best for landscape 16:9. For TikTok, you can go by 9:16. For this one, I'm just making it for YouTube, so I'll choose 16:9. Now you scroll down, so this is the prompt area. This is where the magic happens. Here is the first prompt. I've already prepared it, so I'll just paste it here. A playful orange cat is sitting outside a company field, having fun with fresh corn on an old wooden table, and blah 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 blah. So believe me, I'll give you the prompt on the comment section. So you click generate, just wait a few seconds. Boom, your masterpiece is ready. Yeah, just click download and it is all yours. So at this point, it's already on your device folder. Now let's try another one, this time with a twist of humor and a storytelling. A chubby orange cat gripping a wooden baseball bat like a pro, facing off with a tiny white goat on a quiet countryside path. Yes, this is a total random, total awesome. So these prompts, I've already prepared them, and you too, you can also fine tune it. You can twist it to any image type you want to generate. So I'll paste it here, same process, hit generate, and just like that, another stunning image for our collection is ready. So guys, and just like that, I've said, you have created two incredible high quality images, no cost, no string attached. Like, you can generate as many as you want from this site. So but wait, as I promised you earlier on, I have a bonus for you. So I'll show you an AI video generator. Yes guys, this Vidu AI is an AI video generator where you can turn your images, those images we have created, to a stunning and high quality videos, affordable, unparalleled 2D animations, And the great thing about this is that you can have your reference. If you are making a movie scene, you can have a reference where you can refer the characters will be consistent with the reference material or reference image you have provided. So there's a consistency. That's one of the things I like with this Vidu AI. I'll let you explore more, but trust me, this is a game changer. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you want the exact prompts I used today. I will pin them down below. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, because with AI, the possibilities are limitless. Thank you guys.